let's just start our planting. Yo! Friends, I have a pot. Can you tell me what color is this? This is yellow, dirty fellow. And I got plant soil. Let's just start. Now I will add water. And it's done. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. See you next time with a new video. Please like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click the bell